If you don't have a good understanding of what your actual cost of distribution is for each channel, it's very hard to know if your decision on channel mix is the right decision or not. And then you continue, but you will obviously feel it on the bottom line. So that should be a big focus for you. Decision on what we spend is more critical. Ask yourself, do you really understand your total cost of distribution across all channels? Balancing growth and expenses. Sometimes third-party OTAs can be more profitable than driving guests through your own channels when you factor in marketing spend for direct channels, Google Ads, etc. Commissions and hidden fees from franchise agreements. Technology costs for direct booking platforms. Website, booking engine, integrations. CLTV and guest profitability varies by channel. Length of stay, ADR, on-property spend, return visit probability, etc. Here's the truth. Distribution strategies should be channel agnostic and focused on profit, not just top-line growth. Every booking channel has a cost, and if you're not optimizing based on cost per acquisition and net profitability, you could be losing money.